Hi guys, welcome back. Put those down. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mariah. If you are new here, I upload every Wednesday and Saturday. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment down below so I know that you're new. Today we got an iPhone unboxing video. I'm so excited. My iPhone came yesterday, but I haven't opened it yet. I'm gonna do that right now. I didn't open it yesterday because I got home. Where was I? Oh, I was hanging out with Julia. I got home and Dylan and I were going to the fair, so I didn't want to like open it and then be on my phone all night. I actually wasn't like on my phone at all last night. It was so fun. Regardless, I went yesterday and got a new case. So I ended up getting, it's called Tech 21, I think. Studio color, and it says The Way You Mauve is the color I got. But it's actually plant-based, which is really cool. So yeah, I just got this little one and it's purple, which is kind of like the color of the lavender that they launched this year for the iPhone 11. But I got the 11 Pro Max. So let's open her up. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, so first of all, I got the white this time, which is very new for me because I don't even know where my phone is. All right, so I don't know where my phone is right now, but I always have gotten the gold. Since they came out with the gold, I've gotten the gold and the rose gold. But this year I went with the white. So this is just how it comes. It says iPhone on the side. Let's open her up. What? Oh. Da-dun, da-dun. All right. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I like the black box. That's new. All right, ready, set. Oh my lord. I will say, the 3 cameras is so excessive. Like, it's so excessive. When I saw, oh my gosh, it's like so pretty. Sorry, I'm getting distracted. The 3 cameras is so excessive. You saw it in the last video, or not the last video, but one of my last videos where Dylan and I were watching the keynote, the 3 cameras. I was like, really? 3? Which, like, I won't be complaining once I'm taking pictures with it, but it is a little much. And it just, like, looks like a lot. Like, really? That's, like, a lot, but let's take her out. Oh my goodness. Why does this look, where is my phone? This looks like, why does it look different on the front? It's not at all, because it still doesn't have a button and it's like the exact same, but. Ah! I don't have a screen protector, so I need to get that. Is there something on the back, or is this literally the back? Oh my god, this is literally the back. That's so crazy, and I don't think it's like picking up, but it's like literally so crisp. Also, I would just like to say that the one year I don't want a clear case, clear cases are in and like they're everywhere. Like, I've always been like, I want a clear case to be able to see the back, but this year I don't want one because mine right now is disgusting. So let's slip this in here. Ooh, that's nice. Look at that. I love that. Wow. Wow, I'm so excited. Oh, what else comes in the box? My bad. I'm great at this. Designed by Apple in California. Oh! I forgot. So this one, the Pro, comes with the new charger. So it's just like a chunker charging port thing. New headphones, which you always need headphones. And then I guess this is like the new, oh, weird. Oh, so it's not a USB. That's really annoying. Actually, now that I think about it. Because unless I have this dock, I can't use this cord. And like on my bedside table, I have like the USB plug-in into my lamp to like charge my phone at night. So now I'm gonna have to plug this in to use this one. I didn't realize that. I mean, whatever, like you can still charge this one with the old chargers, which is nice. I'm glad they didn't change that because I have so many chargers in so many places. But I'll have to figure this one out. Maybe I'll just plug it in to my bedside. I don't know. this is interesting. So yeah, that's what comes in the box. The box is now empty. Just the new charger and some more headphones. I'm obsessed. So I'm gonna go set this up. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you get the iPhone if you want it. If you don't, that's cool. I know not everyone's like super into getting the new phone when it comes out, but like I am. It's bad. I need it every time. But I do have the Sprint iPhone forever. I don't want people to be like thinking like I'm like some like person that pays for the phone every time. No, it was like 30 bucks to activate my phone, and like my monthly payment didn't change. So I'm so excited. So if you guys like this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. I do like daily vlogs and stuff like that with my boyfriend Dylan. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday, and if you like, I just said that. Oh, make sure to follow me on Instagram. It's at Mariah Nicole with 2 A's and 2 E's, and I will see you guys next Wednesday or Saturday. I don't know when this is going up.